Alright, so the first thing you want to do is obviously take off the wheel and rotor, and then you want to pop these two bolts right here loose for the caliper bracket. Just kind of hang the caliper, whole assembly like that. Just got a bungee cord and just kind of hanged it so there's no weight on the brake line there. And then you just want to take a 32 mil this axle bolt. I got my impact here so I can't break or loose the impact. Well, that came off a lot easier than I thought. Boy, yeah, buddy. And it's just these 4 bolts right here. Now you have to take off. I just broke them loose with the impact. I had to use a little swivel on there to even fit it under here. It's quite a tight little space. Not one of the worst wheel bearings I've ever seen, but definitely not safe, so I gotta replace her. Fuck. Gonna have to clean up this rust right here. Maybe put some grease on it. As you can see, when I was taking this out, somehow I fucking bent this, so hopefully that's not important. Maybe I'll get some pliers, should have bent that back. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this PV sit in so I can probably, hopefully, try to fucking pop this all loose. Alright, so I ended up not being able to hammer off the bearing and hub assembly, so I went to AutoZone and picked up this little hub puller. There's like 3 lugs on her. Just thing that goes right into the axle. You just keep twisting until eventually, hopefully, she pops. I finally tightened it all the way down. Finally got her free here. Damn, she's quite rusted, quite on there. That's all that looks like. But yeah, AutoZone, 27 bucks. Get yourself one of these. OEM, I guess it says front wheel drive hub puller, but obviously works for rear wheel drive. Just sometimes you have to like really, like, I just had my impact and just fucking slap those lugs on there. As tight as I could get. New axle here from Napa. Because this rear seal was leaking really bad, all the grease just fucking fell out. And then my threads were stripped up here. So I was like, might as well. It was only like 90 bucks with tax. And I mean, this one's a lot nicer than the other one. My boots were kind of fucked too. I just thought, might as well, since I'm already doing the wheel bearing and everything. I had no choice because strip the threads on her. So you just want to take a little bit of grease there, lube up in the splines. You know, nothing too excessive. I don't do anything too much there. On these inner splines inside the hub. So I'm gonna get the same corrosion. Alright, as you guys can see right there, I got the wheel bearing bolted in. Just those 4 bolts come in from the back, so. And I got the axle bolted on. I got a brand new axle. So I'm start put the axle on now. And yeah, I got the hub pressed into the bearing at my school, so pretty nice. I don't have to pay anything for that. Slide on the rotor. Oh, she's a little rusty. For the caliper bracket, it's just these 2 bolts, the one right here at the bottom, the one right here at the top. And it's all good. Just gotta drop it and then torque her. Big old axle on it.